my channel. So today, as you can see, I have some new hair to review for you, and this is from supernovahair.com, and this is how their hair come packaged. You don't get a cute box or a cute bag. They just put it in this little DHL packet and send it to you, but that's okay. You won't even trip because the hair is so affordable. So let's go ahead and get into the hair. As you see, honey, I've already bust the package open. I couldn't wait because I was trying to see what I've ordered, honey. What do I have? Because I never really know. But yeah, this is the hair. As you see, it's like an ombre type hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the packaging so we can get a closer look at these bundles, girl. All right, so here's the hair. I have a 20-inch closure, two 22-inch bundles, and one 20-inch bundle. Let's take a look at the closure since I already have it out. But yes, hunty, this is the hair. I feel like these colors are perfect for fall. This is more like a 1B type of color, like maybe a 1B number 2, and it fades down into what looks like maybe a number 4 33 with a very, very lighter blonde here at the ends, more like a 27, I would say. But yeah, the hair is very, very beautiful. The color is really nice. So we're going to go ahead and get into my wig making, and I'm going to just do a hot glue gun method when it comes to making my wig today, so stay tuned. All right, so quickly before I get into my wig making, I wanted to lay the closure piece alongside one of the bundles. Now these both here are both 20 inches in length to show you that the colors and the hair texture does match up perfectly. Now I've heard girls here on YouTube say that the closure didn't match the bundles when they ordered like colored hair or the ombre hair. One of the two just did mix. It's almost like they just threw something together to try to make a bundle package, and it just did not flow, but the girls made it work anyway. But rest assured, when you order from Supernova, your closure is going to match your bundles perfectly. As you see here, the colors are perfect, the hair textures are the very same. This is just like a perfect match. This is spot on. This is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the wig making. Alright guys, as always, this is the dome cap that I use to make my wig. I just picked this up at my local beauty supply store when I just feel like going in store. These are like $2.99 or $3.99, something to that effect. Now I also do order these in a package or a little bundle from Amazon. It's about the same thing as going to your local beauty supply store. I'll leave that link below. You can get 3 packs of these for $9.99, and I always order this in an extra large because everybody knows my head is big and my hair is thick, so I need my wig to fit securely. Okay, so yeah, these are the glue sticks that I use. I picked these up at Walmart's, but these are the Gorilla Glue sticks, and these are extra strong. I love these work for me. This is what I've always used. This is what I swear by. And this is the little hot glue gun that I use from all my wigs and my crafting needs. And I did order this from Amazon, but hey, I'm pretty sure you can pick this up at Walmart as well. I don't know, but like I said, I ordered it from Amazon because, honey, I have an Amazon Prime membership. I just take advantage of my membership. So I order from Amazon whenever I can, okay? So yeah, this is the one I got. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. Alright, so that's sewed down. Once I get that down, I'll come to this side. Make sure this side is secure, and then you just start layering your tracks. Just glue your tracks on, glue your tracks on, glue your tracks on. Hey guys, so this is the result. This is how my Supernova wig came out. Again, I have 22, 22, 20 with a 20-inch closure piece, and this is Supernova's ombre bundle. Supernova's ombre bundles. This is Brazilian hair, guys. I do like the way this came out. I was kind of weirded out by the blondie pieces at the end because they are a bit different for me. I always feel like lighter hair is kind of difficult to work with sometimes, but yeah, I just put a little oil on it and now it just looks good. So I put some wand curls in it. You know how I do wand is my thing. I love wand curls. Wand curls just make everything look better to me. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I really do like it. I think it's cute. You know, it's my typical style. This is how I always style my bundles. But yes, I do really like the hair. It's very, very nice. I love like the way the colors flow. It isn't all blotchy and choppy as some ombre bundles look. This is really, really pretty. So I feel like I get a good mix of the colors. See, like I like that I have some of this really light right there. It just looks like, it kind of looks like a custom dye job, and we didn't have to do nothing but install it. Install it. Now the links to this hair is below down in the description bar, so be sure to check it out. No need to ask me any questions about it, but I don't mind if you do. But all the information is right there in the description box. This is Supernova's Brazilian ombre bundle. So like the top part is like a T1B number 2 number 4 type situation, then it blends on down to me now what looks like 33 with a whole bunch of 27 down towards the end, and I'm loving it. It is so pretty. Now like I said, I did add a little oil to the ends to help me aisle down the color a bit, but you don't have to do any of that. If you like your colors like popping bold in your face like it looked in the beginning. Now, not that that's a bad thing, it looked really, really beautiful before, but I just like a little oil, you know, just to tame my hair. And it did have quite a few, like you probably see a few right there. It does have a few flyaways, but just add a little more oil and that just, you know, tames it, you know, or some gel or whatever you do, or you can just snatch them out. I've seen people do that. Just pull them out if you like, because you're already gonna pluck your hairline and your parts and all that good stuff anyway. So yeah, you can just pull all that out when you're customizing your closure piece. But that's what I did, and I really, really like it. So I'm not tripping on the few flyaways that are there. It just kind of gives your hair a more natural look. Now I'm gonna try to turn around and let you see the back of this baby. I'm trying not to bump some of these cords I got going on with my lighting, but this is the back, and this is 22 inches, so this is like almost touching my butt. So it's a nice length. I do like this length, just in case you were wondering. It's like almost at my butt, maybe this much from actually touching the top of my butt. But yes, I like it. Let me know what you think of these colors. Really, really pretty. Now this can go for either summer or winter. So beautiful colors. Just whatever, you know. I love it. Love it. Love it. So be sure to check out the description bar down below. Get your hands on this Supernova hair, as it is very, very affordable. And yeah, check it out, girl. Check it out. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And I just know you're going to stay for the next video. So go ahead, get yourself set up so you can watch this next one. Bye.